Police list persons of interest amidst Papine Mona Commons violence. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of 7 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The St. Andrew Central Police have listed three persons of interest who should turn themselves in within 24 hours to the police. They are Kenroy Hibbert, otherwise called Stray D, Desroy Phillips alias Number, and Mikoy Allen. The police want to speak with the men in relation to recent flare-up of violence in the Papine and Mona Commons area. According to the police, they believe that these individuals can greatly assist them in their investigation, said Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbitt, the commanding officer for the division. In the latest shooting, Andre Murray, otherwise called Broadman, was taken out in Mona Commons about 10 p.m. on December the 9th. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.